Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a huge Nykaa haul that I ordered during the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. I ordered a bunch of products from different categories so that I'm gonna unbox today. Also, I will give you a little review about all the products that I ordered along with a little first impressions in case I have ordered them for the first time. So yeah, there are a lot of products, so let's just get started with the whole video. So these are the 4 boxes that are there to unbox. First time ये है कि ये बड़ा वाला बॉक्स आया है, अदरवाइज दे ऑलवेज सेंड दिस स्मॉल बॉक्सेस. इसमें 1 या 2 प्रोडक्ट होता है, बट या दिस टाइम दे हैव सेंड अ बिगर बॉक्स टू. Also I will put the link of each and every product in the description box below so you can check it out in case you like any product. So you can click on the link over there. Let's start with the smallest box first. So yeah, the first product is this the Body Shop's Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Facial Wash. I have used this one earlier like once and this is my second time. I always tend to switch my face wash every time. Like इसके पहले मैं Innisfree का use कर रही थी and now I have ordered this one. But yeah, this is good and it's especially for the blemished skin, and I have been like having a lot of breakouts. I have no idea why, but yeah, I thought to give this another try. And this is like for people like I have combination skin type, so I think this works very nicely. Yeah, this is the first product. The next box, ये तो पूरा खाली लग रहा है. ये 2 प्रोडक्ट इस बॉक्स के अंदर थे. कुछ के ब्यूटी का प्रोडक्ट है. सो मैंने अभी तक के ब्यूटी के कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं किए थे, तो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड लाइक 2 to 3 प्रोडक्ट्स के ब्यूटी के बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गिव दिस ब्रांड अ ट्राई. सो या, दिस इज द के ब्यूटीज लिप क्रेयॉन पब्लिसिटी एंड दिस इज द शेड नेम. ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ है एंड दिस इज व्हाट द शेड लुक्स लाइक. So yeah, this was the first K Beauty product. The next thing that was there in the box is this. So this is the comb. ये comb बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. I think इससे फ्रीजीनेस भी बहुत कम होती है. मैं ये पहले भी यूज़ करती थी. Really love the quality. It's priced at ₹185. मैंने सारी चीज़ें ऑलमोस्ट डिस्काउंट पे ही लिए. कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट ज़रूर था. वेगा के comb में बहुत वेराइटीज़ हैं and these are handcrafted. Okay, so as I was saying you, I ordered a few products from K Beauty. So these both are again K Beauty's product. इसके पहले I showed you this lip crayon which was there, and now these 2 boxes of K Beauty. So this is a contour stick and this is a mascara. Let's start with the contour stick because I don't own any contouring products and this is the first time that I have ordered a contouring product. So let's see how it is, and I had no idea about the shade to be ordered, so this was also like a trial thing for me. Product looks like, and this is the shade. Let's see, because I like ये cheekbones and all में ये darker shade ही use होता है, but I am not sure ये बहुत ज़्यादा dark shade है मेरे skin tone के लिए. And this is the shade Coco Focus. So let's come to this mascara. This is Lala Lash Voluminizing Mascara enriched with honey extract, and this is the shade Midnight. इसके पहले I was using this Kiko Milano's mascara and I absolutely loved it. और इस बार वो out of stock था, so I had to order something else because वो ख़त्म हो गया था. And now let's see what the product is. So yeah, I really have to try this out because अभी already mascara लगा है, otherwise I would have tried it right now. So yeah, this was the mascara from K Beauty. Okay, so this is a winged eyeliner that I ordered from Nykaa. इसमें feature था I think that triangle shape one, that is what I ordered. So this is yes, exactly what I was saying. So you can see the tip and you can see how दिस वन केम लाइक एक डैप करने पे ही बहुत ही अच्छी लाइन आ रही है. यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क. आई थिंक इफ़ यू जस्ट पुट इट ओवर हियर तो वो एक ट्राइंगल शेप बहुत ईजी क्रिएट हो सकता है. सो या आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्राई दिस वन आउट बिकॉज मुझसे दोनों इक्वल कभी नहीं बनते हैं एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई ऑर्डर दिस प्रोडक्ट. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट लाइक इक्वल विंग्ड on both the sides. Now the next is the concealer. This is the multi-use concealer from Maybelline. और ये बहुत easy होता है to use this product. It's super easy and it's in the shade 100 Ivory. I will show you exactly what this product is. So मैंने ये small size order किया. I think there was a bigger size in this one too. This is a multi-use concealer and this is how you have to apply. You just have to like rub it over wherever you want to apply the concealer and it's super easy to use. I absolutely love this product. If you are someone who hasn't used concealer before, I think this is the first one that you should give it a try. And this is in the shade 100 Ivory. Next product is from NYX. As I told you, like I have browsed through every category this time and I have ordered products from different categories. So I have ordered 2 shades of mascara, brow mascara. So these are the 2 shades which are there and one is in the brown shade and one is in the black shade as you can see over here. So yeah, so these are the products. I think ये एक बार use करने के बाद exactly समझ में आता है but yeah, as you can see through the picture, this is without the brow mascara and this is with brow mascara and मुझे इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ करना नहीं आता है कि I can create the illusion of a perfect brow. So that's the reason I ordered a mascara because it will be super convenient to use. So yeah, that is, and this is from the company NYX. So let's just see. This is what it looks like. This is the black shade one. So I have both of those. The next one is the moisturizer. Although it's written dry skin, but I have like used it. Mine is a combination skin type. I have used this particular cream and it's amazing. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा try करने का मन होता है various products, so that's why I tend to switch. But then I come back to my favorite products only, and that's the reason I ordered O3 Plus product. The moisturizer also has SPF in it because I have combination skin type और ये dry skin के लिए, so I use a very small amount. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. Now let's open the second package. Okay, so I have a lot of products from K Beauty. I thought I have ordered like 2 or 3 only, and this is in the shade The After Party. So yeah, this is the next lip crayon. So this was the shade which was there, and let's see the shade usi ke upar. So yeah, these are the 2 shades. Now the next is Kajal, and it's written it's 24-hour lasting, transfer proof, smudge proof, and that is what everyone looks for in a Kajal. This is super dark in shade. Overall, I think K Beauty के products काफ़ी अच्छे quality के हैं and also they are very affordable. Oh my god, so this is like my absolutely favorite eyeliner. I have been using this eyeliner for the past 6 to 7 years and मैं कितने भी purchase कर लूँ eyeliner, but this has to be my like the most favorite one. और ये इतना convenient apply करने में. This is a gel eyeliner और I don't remember how many boxes I have already purchased of this eyeliner. It comes with a brush and this is the product. Apply कर दो, so just remember to put the cap back. ऐसे बहुत जल्दी dry होता है and that is the only disadvantage. Next is this Pond's White Beauty BB Plus cream. This is in the shade Original. If you are looking for a BB cream everyday use के लिए, so this is something that you can give it a try. This is what the shade, if you blend it, it will look something like this. So that's why you have to take super small amount of the product and you don't have to apply a lot of the product, and as you can see it has blended completely. तो ये moisturizer के जैसे भी use कर सकते हैं अगर everyday basis if you are going to college or office. I think this is an amazing product and it's super affordable. Coming to the hair care thing, this is really good for frizzy hair, so I ordered one more bottle of this product क्योंकि मेरा शैम्पू खत्म होने वाला है. So this is like a repurchase. I will recommend it highly if you have frizzy hair. जैसे मैंने अभी कुछ नहीं किया, and this is what my hair looks like after 3 days of my hair washing. के साथ ऐसे पैक आया था, and maybe ये कुछ combo offer होगा, I have no idea. And it is a green tea plus yellow sheet mask. I absolutely love sheet masks. And I have already used Nykaa के sheet mask. They are amazing. इतने ज़्यादा nourishment skin को मिलती है whenever I put a lot of makeup and I want to like detox my face and provide it with a lot of nourishment. I always go for sheet mask. इतना ज़्यादा serum होता है उसमें which absolutely nourishes my skin. Now these are the two boxes. This is the pressed powder and sun beige is the shade. I think Maybelline के products are super affordable again. उसके बाद I have, so this is again from Maybelline. This is a metallic highlighter illuminator and I was really looking forward to it. मेरे पास highlighter है जो liquid highlighters हैं and this is in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Loved this product, it's amazing. Now this is the last packaging. इस पूरे haul में बहुत सारे repurchases हैं. So this is the foundation that I'm currently wearing. This is the foundation and this is the shade. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And I absolutely love this foundation. ये मेरा I think third or fourth purchase है. This is matte plus poreless. And this is from normal to oily skin type and I absolutely love this product. Next product is from Kiko Milano mascara. मैं इसके पहले already mention कर रही थी कि I absolutely love Kiko Milano के mascaras. I already have a lot of colorful shades of Kiko Milano. The mascara that I am wearing right now is again from Kiko Milano पर वो black shade में है and this is the purple one. And इसके काफ़ी long lasting mascara होते हैं and one more mascara and this one is the Hyper Curl waterproof mascara from Maybelline. This is waterproof and that's the reason I ordered. Now the next is a lipstick which is from Chambord. The one that I'm wearing right now, this lip shade is from Chambord only. I think Chambord की lipsticks बहुत ही long lasting होती है. अगर मैंने अभी अप्लाई किया है like ये मैंने मॉर्निंग में अप्लाई किया था तो this will stay as it is till night जब तक मैं ये रिमूव नहीं करती हूँ. So I absolutely love the quality of the lipsticks and this is what the shade looks like. Matte finish है and this is in the shade number 7. So yeah, this is the lip shade. बहुत ही long lasting होती है if you are looking for matte and long lasting lipsticks. So try lipsticks from Chambord. One more mascara from Kiko Milano and this is the shade. So this is electric blue kind of a shade. But yeah, these are all the products that I ordered. I will put the links for each and every product in the description box below. You can check that out. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to know more about the products. I will be posting my photos or videos and my reviews, so you can check that out. My Instagram handle is @chicfactor. So yeah, go follow me over there and check out my page. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.